Well, I don't know where to start. Well, we have Doc Holiday here, Scrappy, Death Row, Deadpool, and John Gotti. And well, Cam, we thought we fixed his car from last night, and him and Zach were making a pass. Well, his sensor took a shit, so it blew a head gasket and blew the freeze plug out of it. His it blew a head gasket, so the heads weren't really torqued that well. So now he's re-torquing it now, and Hunter, he drawed King Turtle first round small tire because he's running Mean Street, and right now they're first class out, but we're racing Coon Dog, and he says he'll go last pair out as long as he can make it up there. So once he gets up, he's gonna go. If we can't make it, then we're not. So they're working on trying to make it, but one pass, we hurt 2 cars, so that's not good. And we put a new turbo on Doc Holiday, so we tried it out earlier and it worked pretty damn good, but he ain't gonna run small tire because he's a puss.
I ain't got nothing coming out of here. And it sounds smooth. Make it look. Hey, no water. Hey, no water. No water. Woo! Run it dry.
Hey, Chris Williams got spaghetti on.
Hey, we'll push you to the burnout box, do your burnout, turn it off, we'll push you back.
y'all go? Give me a rundown. What are we doing now?
All right, so this is the rerun from earlier. Bubba and Dwayne ran in the race, and I'm live. So Bubba and Dwayne made the race earlier, and supposedly he didn't clarify 100% in the meeting, that the driver's meeting, that if he crosses the other person's lane, that's a cross. If he comes up on the lane, then he's fine, but he didn't cross completely over, so he didn't clarify it. So they're rerunning the race to pretty much give it another shot. So.
And it's raining a little bit.
Yeah, and it's got a little sprinkle going on.
A little sprinkle.
Just a very little bit.
I don't want to interview.
What do you mean you don't want to interview?
You interview Zach.
Come on, you gotta get an interview. How did it feel?
Slow.
It looked like a turd, I ain't gonna lie.
It was slow.
But it did what it's supposed to, right?
But we did what we wanted to do.
No scramble button either.
Yeah, no scramble, new turbo blue.
Shoot
Hey,
didn't come out.
Hey, we ain't gonna be second chance race champions here.
Shoot came out and it stayed in the bag. That's pretty
So
nice.
you know,
That's
what
how
that
you was
means?
going slow.
That's how you know he wasn't going that fast.
Well, he was going so slow it didn't
It
deploy.
don't matter. Pretty good
No,
actually.
you was going so slow it didn't
I
deploy.
hit the glue and it slid about 20 foot.
I told you not to hit the
I
brake
didn't slam
hard.
on it. I was holding them because
Yeah.
you probably got another 60 foot before you hit the glue, and then all of a sudden it
See,
said,
the problem is that being wet down there now.
Oh shit! I didn't think about that.
Cause it's slick already.
we'll let out early.
I did let out early.
Yeah, you didn't stay in it. I'm proud of you.
No, I did a pretty good job.
You know, hey, you gonna let me hang?
No longer crash dummy.
Someone has to do it around here.
We should get his helmet painted as a
Crash
crash dummy with a. That'd be awesome. That would be the perfect thing. We got him a new helmet idea. You know the crash dummy logo?
Oh, bad.
That's it.
And we're gonna get finished up on the side. Ready to die?
Second round of the finally, ain't we?
Man, look at this. It is 12:46. He said, well, we got a curfew at 1, so we're just gonna cut everybody off, but small tire and small tire starter up or whatever. We're just gonna cut them off. And everybody's like, what the heck, man? I don't know, I can't do nothing about it. So, oh well, here we are. We are eating spaghetti with meatballs.
try to take a front side car and go backside racing.
There's white everywhere.
I needed some more. We ran out of room. We're gonna figure it out though.
We need.
You have to go to your right. Go to the left more, Cam.
And number 2's in the box.
Slow down, slow down, slow down, slow down, slow down.
Hold on. Next to your face.
Team me ball out.
Yep.
Alright, well, the curfew ended up hitting, so they ended up cutting everything out, shutting everything off, and everybody split. The small tire got down to like 5 cars, and then, well, 4 of them were for home, and then, how many get down in your class?
It was 5 also.
5 also. I mean, hell, there was a bunch of this. So, I mean, it was a good trip, besides Zach and Cam hurting their cars, but we're going to fix them. We're going to make some changes to their motors so they don't push no head gaskets. I think we'll maybe put a D-ring in it. I don't know yet. This is an idea. But other than that, Hunter, we've learned, got some data from it, and we're going to roll from there on it, and we're going to keep trying to make his car work on that type of stuff. And we just kind of missed it for the first round because we ain't got that many good passes on it. And other than that, I mean, we had fun, and but there's too many damn classes to run in all this time. So, but other than that, make sure y'all like and subscribe, and Team Meatball out.